Today, I'd like to tell you why I became a GrooveFunnel affiliate. The first advantage is that you don't need to create your own products or services. You don't have to worry about the quality of your products if you're representing a quality company. And you can focus on your marketing instead of worrying about improving your products in order to compete with your competition. Since my intent here is to show you the advantage of being a GrooveFunnels affiliate, I need to tell you my sad story of trying to be an affiliate for ClickFunnels for a point of comparison. As I mentioned, not only did I feel it was necessary to pay for training with ClickFunnels, but although promised differently by Russell Brunson in his recorded trainings of the One Funnel Away Challenge, I came to find out that the only products I would be able to directly market would be his books, which had no commissions because they were free with shipping, and the One Funnel Away Challenge. I invested $100 of my money and a month of my time to learn how to be an affiliate marketer for ClickFunnels. Even after that, I still did not feel comfortable about marketing their products and had to take yet another course. That course was taken so that I could wrap up and market the funnel that I had started with the One Funnel Away Challenge. It was extremely disappointing to find that Mr. Brunson's high-end products could only be marketed by his successful affiliates. I did not find this out until after I had spent another month developing a free course that was intended to attract potential buyers to purchase his products. When my funnel was ready to go and I was ready to put in my links, that is when I was informed that his high-end products could not be featured in my funnel upsell. You can only imagine how discouraged I became at that point. On a happier note, this horrible experience with ClickFunnels has made me look further for other opportunities, and due to my research, I discovered GrooveFunnels. What is radically different is that as a GrooveFunnels affiliate, you have the advantage of not needing to worry about knowing how to sell, as even those with no experience in sales and marketing are also able to get results. I don't have to pay for training because they have tons of free training in their Groove Digital Academy and on YouTube. To make things even better and easier, GrooveFunnels has a free account option, which means that affiliates only need to give away free business tools and marketing education. There are still opportunities to make sales, but the great thing is that you have the comfort of knowing that many people who start free will eventually want to upgrade because there is such a variety of software available on their platform. It is such a pleasure to be able to introduce people to GrooveFunnels and feel totally confident that people will love their products. There is no reason to have to try to push people to buy anything. The products sell themselves. GrooveFunnels will allow a new affiliate on their free program to earn 20% commissions. Either at the beginning of his relationship with GrooveFunnels or when the new affiliate realizes that he can successfully market these products, at that time he can elect to upgrade to the Platinum Lifetime Program to receive 40% commissions off first-tier sales and even an additional 10% off second-tier sales. So I hope this will give you an understanding of why I am a GrooveFunnels affiliate and help you see the opportunities available for yourself. Their platform is definitely not limited to affiliate marketing. In my next videos, I will address the actual use of the software to help promote business success. Please click on the link below this video for your free Groove Page and GrooveSell lifetime membership. You are also invited to join my Facebook group, Simplify Online Success.